Hello. Welcome to ActionNET tutorial provided by Spin. We're about to start a series with several exercises using the tools of ActionNET explained so far. In this first part, we'll learn more about tools on the Edit menu, specifically the Tags and Devices submenus, and Draw menu. Let's start by creating the tags for main screen. In Edit menu, Tag submenu, create tags as shown in image. Then let's create our main menu. To do this, click Background and change the style and background color. Also resize the screen. Click in Create button and place a new button on the screen. In Left menu, change the text of button to Menu Principal. Double-click the button to open Dynamics window. Choose Shine option and put a tooltip on tooltip field, such as Menu. To see how your screen is acting, click Display Preview. This tool allows you to visualize the animations of your display. In the same way, create 6 new buttons. You can create them the size you want, then just resize them so everyone is in the same size. To align them, select all the buttons and click to align them to the left and then click to leave them with the same distance between them. Change the text of the buttons to Disposi Chivu, Alarmi, Istoriku Alarmi, Trej, Bakuji Dadusi Halatorius, which means devices, alarm, alarm history, trend, database, and reports. Let's create a new display. Click Close Display and create a new one. Name your new display with Page Menu Principal. Create a new combo box by clicking its symbol. Then click to create a new label and change your text to area. Click Insert Symbols and choose the linear gauge. Switch selector, and rotate lower two symbols. Configure the combo box by placing the area tag in the selected item field, and 1 and 2 in the other field. Set up the thermometer by double-clicking on it. Fill in as shown. Configure the next symbols as shown. Go to code behind and add the code as shown. The logic of this code is to increase the temperature by 1 degree every 100 milliseconds. If the fans are on, that temperature is decreased by 1 degree. Then, compile to verify that there's no error in code. Go back to menu and double-clicking on button menu principal. Set the action option to open the Page menu principal display. Then open Edit menu, Devices submenu, and create a new channel using the Modbus protocol. To do this, click Create New, choose the channel settings and click OK. If you are in doubt about these settings, click on Help that a manual with instructions will appear. Click Nodes and create a new node using the previously created channel. For simulation, place the IP of your computer. To find out your IP, open the command prompt, type ipconfig, and place the found IP. In Edit menu, Tag submenu, create new tags as shown in figure. Returning to the Devices submenu, create new points relating them to the created tags. Enter the addresses according to the tag names. They will range from 400,001 to 400,003 and from 00001 to 00003. Also put the access type as read and write. Returning to the Draw menu, we will create a new display to test the Devices tool. Name it as Page Dispositivos. Make the display as shown, using rectangles, labels and text boxes. Double-click on the text box and choose the Text I/O option to relate it to a tag. We will also put functions, such as primary station node, status and errors. Fill in as shown. Click the Save button. Go back to the menu and, by double-clicking on the Dispositivo, or Device, button, configure an action to open the Page Dispositivos screen. Let's run the project to see how it works. See that temperature increases, and when the fans are activated, the temperature starts to decrease. This happens in both areas. Already in Devices, to test the communication, we will use a simulator that comes with ActionNET. However, this simulator only works with Modbus protocol. To test it, find the correct addresses and change the values. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next ActionNET tutorial video provided by Spin. If you have any question, please contact us.